In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags to rank higher in Etsy search. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your tags, how to add them, and how to use all the available space to give your listings the best possible chance of being discovered. First, head over to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your seller account, then open your Shop Manager from the main Etsy menu. This dashboard is your control center. It's where you manage your products, orders, marketing, and of course, your tags. Give it a moment to load, and once you're there, we'll move on to your listings. Next, look for the section labeled Listings in the left-hand menu inside Shop Manager and click on it. This page shows all the items currently in your shop, as well as drafts and inactive listings. From here, you can either edit an existing listing to improve its tags or create a new one. In this example, we'll start fresh so you can clearly see where tags live in the listing editor. Now, click on Add a Listing. This opens the full listing editor where you'll upload photos, write your title and description, set your pricing, and configure all the details. Scroll slowly through this page so you get familiar with each section. Somewhere in the middle of the form, you'll find the Tags field, usually in the listing details or item options area. When you reach the tag section, click into the tag input box and type in your first tag. A tag is simply a short phrase that describes your product and matches what a buyer might type into the Etsy search bar. For example, if you sell handmade candles, a tag might be soy candle or lavender candle. Use natural phrases, avoid misspellings, and think about the main keywords someone would use when looking for your item. After you've typed your tag, click on Add to save it to the listing. You should now see that tag appear as a small label or chip below the input field. This confirms that Etsy has accepted it and will use it as part of your search ranking signals. Etsy allows you to repeat this process multiple times. In fact, you can add up to 13 tags per listing. Take advantage of all of them. Keep clicking back into the tag field, typing new relevant phrases and pressing Add until you've filled every available tag slot. Use variations, different attributes, and specific use cases for your product. When you're done, review your tags, then save or publish your listing so those tags start working for you in Etsy search.